All right, we got a pretty cool project here. This is a 2025 Ford F-150, and we've torn it all apart. So this customer wants to do a built engine, built transmission, twin turbo kit, and everything else that goes along with that. And so that's what we're doing. We've never done one of these before. And because we've never done one before, I wanted to show you some of the methods that, at least I'm using, and do use on stuff that we've never worked on before. So obviously we got our cart. And there's some minor organization with the way things are put in, not entirely. But what we got here is bagging and tagging. And even if it's just like one bolt or two bolts, I think it's really important. So everything is labeled, of course. Like literally every piece of hardware that comes off of this goes in a bag, except for like one-off stuff. Like some of these is just, I didn't want to waste a whole bag on it, so I just taped it and labeled it. But what this is going to obviously do is allow for a really easy reassembly, because I don't know how long it's going to be. Obviously, normally when we do engines, we have another one ready to go. Like if it's a Gen 3 Hemi, we have one on the shelf, we take it out, we put the new one in the same day and get it all back together. So there's no time between tear down and reassembly. Also with the Gen 3 Hemis, that's all we do, so we know it very well. We don't know these very well. So I wanted to make sure that if it's 3 months, 5 months, or whatever the lead time is on this engine, that I don't have to worry about remembering where things go. It's all labeled for me. I've taken a lot of pictures, reference pictures for everything, so that it goes back together the same way it came apart. Just a pet peeve of mine when I take other people's work apart and find that this bolt is for this part of the car and this bolt is for the intake, and you put this one over here, and obviously it still works, but it's not the right way to do it, and we're trying to do it right. So we're going to get this engine shipped off, get the transmission torn the rest of the way down, get that shipped off. I believe I'm going to have to take the transfer case off as well. And then I got the frame here. While the frame's off, I'm going to be removing the fuel system. There's a tank there and the fuel hat. Hopefully I can get it off. I might have to take the bed off or drop the tank and change the fuel system out. I've never actually lifted the cab off a truck before too, so that was pretty fun. But maybe we'll get some more of these in. They're pretty cool cars. Apparently they're pretty hot right now. So yeah, I just want to show kind of a cool little project we got going on and how we try to stay organized when we have not actually worked on something before. All right, thanks for watching.